We got a set list tonight. Before we get going.
I'll let you know in just a minute. Sound guys. I can't play.
I was actually talking to me about ways we can improve your own stroke.
I tell you, I can't relax, you know. Well, the other night I felt like having a few drinks. I went to the bartender and said, surprise me. He showed me a naked picture of my wife. Hey, good crowd, huh?
Big Dave got his numbers back. Moonlighting as a lumberjack. Big Burley with the plumber's crack. I'm hungry and fat, give me munchy snacks. Spaced in the head like Dave Letterman's front teeth. Rap like a blunt leaf, you don't want beef, dumb fucker. Bummy and gutter, hacking up lung butter. The one upper saying fuck in front of your mother. Eating a Caesar salad, see me smiling. BB Wildin', Chris Farley meets G.G. Allen. When I die and they bury me, my gravestone will reedy bag Little Debbie and Sarah Lee. Feet on the table, watching women's rugby. Hands free, beating off all in my snuggie. A teabaggers versus donkey punchers. On the dumpsters, we ornery youngsters. I did it like this, I did it like that. Shit, I even did it in my flea market trucker hat. Up on my dick, I got a bone to bitch. I fight homelessness with my own two fists. Watch who you go home with, enter at your own risk. A Cindy Buckner, she's on my to-don't list. I take my chances, behaving strange. Dapping up a praying man, this is all gravy stains.